Hey guys, how's it going? Ghosty Rich here today, and today you can see we were installing this UYF lock. I wanted to quickly go over a couple things you might have problems with rather than just a full install thing here. So first things first, I'm going to actually hold the lock here and pull it forward with my camera. So when you first get this lock, this will be floating somewhat. I found it easier to, when you slide the shank in, as you know, if you turn it, it shrinks. If you turn it this way, it'll expand into the hole. There you go. See what I mean? So it's for two different door sizes. One thing is if you have a round spot like this does not allow you to remove this plate, which kind of sucks. So I just did a quick little chisel job with a flat blade just to make it so this is going to work, and then we'll paint that white afterwards. Anyways, and again, I'm not going to show you really how to do that because it was kind of horrible. Like I said, I traced it out with a pen, then used a hammer and a flat blade and just basically made that and screwed it in. Now that that's there, what you want to do is slide this in here. I would suggest you do, before you're screwing this all in, plug this in into that little white connector down there. And then what we're going to do is just make sure the lock actually actuates. What you're going to have to do is hold it in place, and then you can make sure it's going to unlock all the way and lock all the way. When you're installing the plate, make sure the cable comes through here. The indents are on the outside, and as you can see how these screw pops, they actually have to be facing us, because when we put the lock on, you don't want it drilling into your door. You want them to drill into these metal pieces. If you have this plate flipped around, it will not catch. So from here, clip the little white piece into here, that little white connector, which goes in from the top, and just line it up. I'm going to pop these batteries out actually, and that's going to allow me to put the 3 screws in. If you're wondering where the 3 screw spots are, you have to use the smaller of all the machine screws. Put 3 of those machine screws in each hole here and 1 right there. Once you put those 3 screws in afterwards, if you'd like, let's go ahead and put these batteries in. Don't put the cover on yet, not until you make sure everything is working fine. And all right, let's put in their crazy admin password.
Unlocked.
Perfect.
Unlocked.
Perfect. So if I were to lock it, just to confirm, okay.
Operation unlocked.
Perfect. If yours wasn't working, let's show you what you would do. *46 pound.
Please input administrator's passcode.
1 2 3 4 5 6 1 H.
Operation failed.
Oops, I missed one. Let's do that again. *46
Please input
2 3 4 5 6 pound 1 H.
Operation successful.
Check this out.
Locked.
See, it thinks it's locked right now, which it's not, but that's what you would do to make it work the other way. So I'm going to go ahead and reverse mine back. Let's go ahead.
Operation failed.
Oh, *46 pound.
Please input administrator's passcode.
1 2 3 4 5 6 pound. Couple things with your door. One, if you click and hold the pound sign, it'll lock it.
Locked.
If you click and hold this, it's not going to obviously unlock it. What you need to do is, of course, put in your passcode. Now, what we'll show you what to do as well is if you hit the star and then the pound.
Operation failed.
Let's do that again.
Please input administrator's passcode.
This I'm going to be changing, so oh, that's not going to let me do it. So we'll do it again.
Please input Press 1 to manage passcode. Press
So
2
that's what you
manage
do
card.
to change your
Press 3 to
passcode.
manage fingerprint.
2 will
Press
be for the
5 to
tiles,
settings.
3 will be for your fingerprint,
Return to previous
and then the
menu.
last one was, sorry, just getting that, just more managing settings, an auto lock. So if you have those tiles, what you'll do is you'll hit the 2, and then you'll press the tile against here and it'll program it. and then it'll ask if you'd like to add another one. If you do, press 1. When you're done, go ahead and hit start and it'll get out of it. And again, after you change your passcode, you should be able to just put it in like this and boom. And then again with the tiles and the fingerprints are a little bit, you got to make sure you keep it clean. And but what you'll be able to do is just figure it out and go from there. But that's all there is with this door lock.